Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning how to add pictures on our HTML documents. Pictures are very important on every website. Without pictures on websites will be really boring. So it is important we learn how to add pictures on our HTML documents. Okay, to get started, we can just go ahead to download pictures from pixels.com. Pexels. Pexels is Portal's website where you can download a lot of pictures from for free. And once you get any picture you like, just download it. I have lots of pictures, so I'm not going to download any more from here, but I have pictures on my PC. All right, so once you're done downloading the picture, just go to Documents where you have your folder, Intro to HTML, and you can paste the picture directly, or you could open a new folder and name it Images or Image. So this folder is where you put all the pictures you've been needing for maybe you want to do a project or you're working on a particular stuff, HTML stuff. So you can just put your pictures inside the Images folder. All right, so we have our folder, which is Intro to HTML, and inside Intro to HTML, we have a folder called Images, and inside Images, we have our picture, the picture itself. Once you're done with that, just go back to your text editor, and you're going to have it like this. You have your Images folder, and then you have your picture inside the Images folder. Okay, so now how do you add pictures to your HTML document? We're going to do that by using the img tag, which also means the image tag. Now, the image tag comes with an attribute it's called the src. The src here means source. So this specifies the source of the image. Now, the image is located inside a folder called Images. So I'll just simply write Images / which denotes the path, and then I'll put the name of the picture, which is laptop.jpg. The file extension is really important. The file extension here is JPG. Yours could be PNG. It depends on the kind of picture you download. Yours could be PNG. Yours could be JPEG. But mine is JPG. So you don't have to use the same file extension as mine. Just use the one that comes with the picture you downloaded. Okay, so by doing this, I have my picture on my HTML documents like this. So that is it. It is super easy to do. It is not hard at all. So this is how you add pictures on your HTML documents. You could even increase the height or the width by just adding it here. Increase the width and put the required number, maybe 60% or 70% or 80%. And let's say there's another attributes for image, which is the alt, which is alternative. Now, alternative will display if an error comes up with the image. Maybe something happened and the image was unable to display. So I'm intentionally going to make a mistake here. I'll remove the file extension so that the image will not display. So instead of it looking completely blank, you have a set that says no photos to display. So it is just an attribute for images where you added pictures. So I'll just put this back here, and then I don't need this. So this is how you add pictures on your HTML documents. Now, just in case maybe you did not put your picture inside the folder. Let's assume the picture was not inside the folder. Maybe there was no images. So let's just remove the picture from a folder. Let's close it and then just paste it outside, inside the folder, inside the HTML folder, the intro to HTML folder. Now the picture is outside, it is not inside a folder. So instead of writing images, I'll simply just write it directly, laptop.jpg, because it is not inside the folder, it's standing alone. So once I do that, I'm still going to have my picture display on the screen. So it depends on how you want to do it. You could put it inside a folder, or you could just put it outside. Well, I'll recommend you putting your pictures inside the folder to have your pictures more organized. All right, so I believe this was not complicated at all. And in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create tables in HTML. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.